I'll bet I know what happened. I'll bet you I know that it was speeding. I'll bet I know where the troop... Oh, wait a minute. I wonder if he got stopped because of the way that ladder is on the roof. I'll bet that's what it is. I was going to say speeding because there's a place back there at the crest of the, coming up the hill where they sit there waiting for people to be speeding by. Okay. Steve A. Just being nosy and opinionated, saying see you at 73.